Hello and welcome to Scrapping on the Fly. My name is Kristen and I'm here with day 6 of 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, series 13. And today's sketch is by Xochitl Martinez and it is such a fun and unique sketch. I think you could use these pictures to be significantly larger and just have less white space, but I actually kind of go with a smaller picture. These were cut at 3x4 and I trimmed about a half an inch off, so they're 3 by 3 3/4, I think, or 3.5 maybe. And I am using my Hip Kit Club from, I think this is one of the most recent ones, Summer is Here. So I think it was July or August. And so I have selected this because it has ice cream cones and popsicles, and that is what we're eating in these pictures. So I've already selected this picture or this paper right here because I love that bright pink. It's one of the colors that I wanted to work with on this collection or on this layout. And I'm also going to use this little bit of the stencil for where she's got these stars reflected because I love those stars. Those are cool, but I wanted to add something a little bit different. So I've got my papers, my embellishments, some mixed media, and a stencil, these pictures, and this really cool sketch. So let's see how this goes. So I decided I wanted to use this pink paper because I want to border my layout. It does not look bordered on the sketch, but I wanted to have that because I've been using a lot of white backgrounds lately. Luckily, I have tons and tons of white cardstock paper for that, but I do like to change things up a little. So adding that background paper and matting the white helps change that up a little so it's not like that's just all a bunch of white cardstock in my scrapbook. And so I've matted my pictures with that hot pink first because it helps because it's a solid more, I mean it's striped, but because it's like a solid, more of a solid than that patterned paper, it is a little less taking away from the pictures. And I mean, who would want to take away from these beautiful pictures? Something was going on with the refrigerator at school, and my friend Mary wanted to get the ice cream sandwiches and ice cream cones or ice cream cups out of the freezer, so we just ate them. So they sent me this fun picture of the two of them eating their ice cream like popsicles, and I sent them a picture of me with the entire cup of ice cream in my spoon. Because this is how we make it through the crazy days, guys. So anyway, I am taking some ink with my little finger daubers, which I adore using. And I start with Salvage Patina in the middle of the page. And then I move on and use Festive Berries. And then the orange is Spice Marmalade. And the yellow is Squeezed Lemonade. And I'm going to use those around the page. And I just sandwich the orange, blue, and red with that yellow. So it's giving me an even space. Like originally I was thinking I'd do thinner lines, but I like the finger daubers. They're a lot of fun, and it's not perfect. Like it's not real crisp, and I like that idea. I didn't want it to be like uniform looking, so I wasn't measuring or anything like that. And then after I got done doing that, I put the stencil down in the 3 places where she has the little stars, and I inked through with black soot. All of them are Distress Oxides by Tim Holtz. And then I pull my title out, which is Cool Fun, and I put that up there at the top. And then I'm just going to start like embellishing a little bit in the stripes, as well as she has a subtitle over on the right side. And so I put a subtitle over there that says Photo Moment. And I'm going to add the ice cream cone there. And then I'm going to put those little popsicles over in the little stripy bit on the left side. And then I pulled fruit from this collection. And I'm just going to tuck that in some different places as well. There's no fruit involved in the ice cream that we were eating, but I am okay with that because it still is a food product, and I just think it helps add some color and fun to the layout. So I use, I think, all the fruits from this collection, like the little ephemera bits, and just tuck those in places that fit, like just to give a little extra something for all the little embellishments. So down at the bottom, I put this orange circle, says days like these, and I'm going to tuck a little watermelon there. Up at the top, I've got that white circle, says let's celebrate life, and I'm going to tuck a little orange in there. And then there's a little word phrase that I put over there on the right side, says happiness. And then there's a little heart that just pops off the page and it says fun. And I put a strawberry over there. So I just kind of put things around to add a little bit of something on here. You could probably get away with literally doing the bare minimum on this layout, like with exactly what she's got going on her sketch, and it would be perfectly fine and really fun and festive. But I wanted to add some extra little clusters and things around the page as well. And then last but not least, I have this little thing that's got a camera on it and it says snapshot. And I wanted to put that on here and I wasn't sure where. And to be 100% honest, there was a little strip of black soot that got off the stencil down in the bottom right corner. And so I just put the little snapshot there and then matted it with the little frame that it actually came in the ephemera pack. And it covers up my boo-boo. And I think that it's fine. So here's the close-up. I like how this turned out a lot. I love these colors. They worked really well together. They match the popsicles. If you could notice, I put them in the same order as the popsicles. And I just think that it's a lot of fun. So thank you so much, Soshi, for this fun sketch. And I hope you all will come back and see me again tomorrow. Go check out the playlist of all the amazing people who are creating with these 30 days of sketches. Hope you have a great day. Hope you get a chance today to do something you love with someone you love. And happy scrapping!